taser, taser.
Ow!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Hey, just set her back down.
No, it is stopping. No, no. Where's all the cameras? Bring them out. They're
Arrested for vandalizing cars, this woman is convinced of something completely insane, that her arrest is a reality TV show and the officers are just actors sent by her producers. But what looks like a delusional breakdown is about to instantly turn into a tragedy. When a deputy attempts to restrain her by himself, thinking he is dealing with a simple mental health crisis, he has no idea that beneath her body, the suspect is concealing a deadly, makeshift weapon that she is about to stab him with.
Come here, now. I'm not playing with you. Come here.
I have been playing with officers.
Come here, right? Come here, now.
Okay, you're not gonna touch me.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Listen, you're gonna let me go.
Lay on the ground.
You're gonna let me go.
on your
And all
stomach.
your footage
Lay on your
TV.
stomach. Lay on your
No,
stomach.
you're gonna bring out all your producers right now.
What are you doing this for?
Because y'all are videoing me. You know you are. I told you to stop for years. You're not stopping.
Put your hands behind
You're
your
gonna
back.
stop.
I'm gonna.
You're gonna come through with it.
Now I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. You're gonna get tased if you don't put your hands behind your back. You know that, right?
That's what it is. More for TV? Huh? That's what it is?
Don't move. I'm telling you now. You're gonna get tased if you don't stop.
Is that what it is? That's what it is. More for TV, right? Yep. You red head prick.
I'm not the one.
Done.
Battery on Leo too. Now
Yeah.
you just got 2 charges.
Oh, woohoo.
Good job.
Yeah, you'll know that call.
Just 1 second, okay? I'm just
Yeah.
gonna be here for a witness, okay?
Be on TV.
Stand up. Stand up or I'll drag you there. Choice is yours. Let's go. Alright, we can sit here all day then. I ain't got nowhere to go.
Me neither.
Lay there.
Me neither, you You're so all he is.
24 Flagler, did you copy?
Yep. I copied whatever you my eyes. You shaking now, ain't you?
You're crazy. You think I'm scared?
Yeah,
Relax.
little
She's kicking and stuff.
Okay.
So watch out.
Hey, check this out. We're gonna stand you up, put you in the car. You start kicking,
Hey,
you're going
check
right
this
back
out.
down on the ground.
That's
You
where I want to
understand?
be. That's
You
where I
wanna
want
be
to
down on the
Yes, that's
ground?
where I'd like to be.
Oh, that's what you tried to hit me with, huh?
Oh,
Yikes.
That's not what I tried to hit you with.
I watched you swing it at me. What are you talking
Are you
about?
kidding me? I was the vape, you dumb.
This object is a tire puncture sealant canister, a tool for repairing tires that she meticulously filed down into a makeshift shank. This type of weapon is extremely dangerous. Unlike a standard knife, a hardened, sharpened steel tool like this has only one purpose: to puncture.
Get in the car. Don't even start. Get in the car.
we got someone said 15. We're trying to get them in the vehicle right
Hey.
now.
Just set her back down. Hey, you're done. You understand?
So are you. Do you understand?
You're gonna go in this
You're
car.
done. Do you understand?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
You got a hobble? Or do you have a hobble? I have a hobble. We need it.
Yeah.
Don't you kick me.
Do what I want.
No, you won't. 'Cause your ass is gonna get tased.
Yeah.
Ignore me. Come on, man. Don't even start.
Man.
Don't even start.
It hurt?
No, it doesn't. You know what? You know what's gonna hurt? Is y'all are done.
Oh.
So done.
If I gotta.
This is the thing. I know that you're all jokes.
Okay.
You're a joke.
She got out of
All of you.
Put the hand behind your back. I'm going less lethal. I'm going less lethal, Cabbage. You're good. I'm gonna tase you if you do not put your hands behind your back. 1, 2,
Ma'am?
3.
Taser, taser, taser.
Ow!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Do it right now. Put that other hand.
You know that? That's what you need? That's what you gotta do? You're a
Yep.
You're a Oh, it is.
The signal 14. The hobble.
That's double lock. Hold her hand.
That's what you gotta do? You're That's what you are. Listen, when this is done, you're all. You hear me? You're all.
Let's turn this way.
No.
No, we're trying to help you, man.
No, you're trying to help yourself because you're not allowed to leave me on my stomach, you dumb. I'm not stupid.
Yeah,
So go yourself.
Exactly.
You're gonna go tase me again so I can. Yeah, you're gonna go tase me again? Yeah, no. You, dude. You. Medium priority alert. Medium priority alert. Shut the up. I know what you're doing. I know exactly what you're doing. You're sitting there being duck. I know you're in on it. You're stupid, and I'm done with you. Listen, this is gonna stop.
Yeah.
Right now.
It is stopping.
No, it is stopping. No, there's a no. Where's all the cameras? Bring them out. They're all over the place.
Every one of them's on.
Listen.
At this exact moment, the movie set the suspect invented in her head brutally collapses under the weight of reality.
I knew she was holding something in her hands. I knew it.
Who's she trying to hit?
She was scratching corners. This guy
Yeah,
was.
she was just going by scratching all these vehicles, and then I tried to traffic stop right here. She cut across the field, then she started running this way, so I just came this way, and then I brought her to the ground. She started resisting, kicking me. I felt something scratch my leg, and then after I get her secured, he's like, "Hey, look at this," and this is that little shank that she was holding.
Breanne Gady won't be returning to a television set. She was booked into the county jail and formally charged with aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer with a deadly weapon, resisting arrest with violence, hit and run, and vandalism. She wanted to be on TV, but she committed a violent criminal act that sent her straight into a legal nightmare. Don't forget to check out our other analysis videos and subscribe to the channel.